Hi guys, welcome back to another week of Washday. Oh my goodness, it's me. I'm back again. It's your Washday partner. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Anyways, how are you all doing? I hope you are enjoying 2025 so far. See guys, look at the hair. The last time I washed my hair was the 23rd of December. Today's the 1st and it's 10 o'clock. Normally I fall within the range of 8 to 9 days. So 8 days now, and my scalp, the hair, I put it in twist if you remember. I took it out 2 days ago because I wanted it to be out and stuff, and the hair is still soft. This is day 2 of me taking it out and fluffing it. Very fluffy and soft, and this is 8 days. But right now this is what it looks like. I don't know what the back looks like, so don't judge. I'm watching you. Anyways, it's wash day. Even though the hair looks soft and we love it, still gonna wash it. Otherwise, we're gonna keep that attitude and not wash it. Theo, look at him. Oh my god. What are you doing? Theo. I need the space. I need to stand. He's all up in the way. Anyways, let's section our hair and get started. I'm quite sad that I have to wash my hair because I love how my hair feels right now, but so sad. I bought a bunch of products. It's so bad. I think I was splurging a little bit. I'm not even going to hide. I have to do a big trim. I was looking at, thank god, you know, this hair vlogging thing is actually quite helpful because the last time I trimmed my hair, I think I trimmed an inch off, and that was really sketchy trim. But anyways, was in March. I'm taking a look at my ends and stuff. I'm like, you know what, I'm quite due for a trim. So this wash day, since I'm starting at 10, I don't think I'm going to do it today, but I have to plan to do a trim, which will entail of me blow drying my hair, taking the time to trim my ends. I'm yapping a lot, like I do always. What is the procedure for today? Today we're gonna go in with the African Pride Prepoo. I put it in warm water, so it's warm now. We're going in with amla oil. I'm gonna pour that in here, give it a few drops. We're going with Batena oil. I'm gonna put that directly on my scalp and let it sit for how many hours I'll be standing here. Hopefully I don't stand here for too long. That was it. Alright, Batena oil, I'm going to spray it on the scalpy scalp. Mixture looks like snot, to be honest. Okay. Oh my god, let's wash my hands. I don't know, I want to film the showering process because I also like to see it, but at the same time, I just want to shower without filming, but we'll see what we do. Midnight, so 12:24, and I started at 10. Oh, so like 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour and like 40 minutes. So I will see you in the next clip.
This is a monthly budget and work essentially the same. You want to keep track of your, then you want to decide what you're going to be doing with this money. And you want to allocate 50% of the money you earn into going out to eat, watching movies, and finally 20% for emergencies, like getting laid off, or if you just want to help your budget worksheets. For example, the money that you actually get to spend. The needs over here adds up to 1,027% income, and savings total is savings, right? But there are some things that you should know. A laptop, a car, an account in your bank account. You can usually do this for free when you take money out. Any overdraft fees.
You're gonna go in with the patent. It's a leave-in conditioner. I bought it recently, and I was saying it has a similar texture to Miele's pomegranate line, the leave-in conditioner. It's like thin consistency for coily hair. So with the thicker cream, TGIN, I'm gonna use that for my ends because my ends are rougher and coarse than my mid-end. And I'll seal it in with the sweet almond oil. Current time is almost 3 o'clock, 2:39. I'm surprised I have energy to do this. I'm actually proud of myself. I'm gonna have to blow dry the hair, or like, not blow dry, like put some type of air on it, because I'm gonna go to bed and make sure I can sleep with dry hair. I'm not gonna take the hair out because it's 3 a.m. I'll have to retwist my hair tomorrow. Right now, I'm applying conditioner to seal in that moisture before my hair dries out. Oil. Hopefully it's gonna be dry tomorrow, but I'm gonna sleep with my bonnet and just put it on like this. It's the next day. Yesterday I just put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I just want to put them in the twist because I work tomorrow, so I'm gonna put them in the twist. Hi Theo, have a guest. It's a shrinkage for me because y'all remember how yesterday I told you I was gonna shrink. Look at this. I'm going to use the patent leave-in conditioner to refresh the hair. I might use a TGIN for the ends. Every time I do twist, I feel like my hair gets longer. Alright, I'm going to do this side and come back. Yeah, we're done. Let's stay in this oil. Thank you guys for watching. It's late, so have a good night, have a good day, or have a good morning if it's morning. Take care of yourself, take care of your health, and take care of your hair. Stay amazing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.